right, so now let's use that formula. And these are going to be our examples. Remember, we are going to use 3.14 for pi. Remember, we are going to use 3.14 for pi. And we are also going to round to the nearest hundredth, round to the nearest hundredth, when necessary. Round to the nearest hundredth when necessary. All right? So our example number one, we are going to start with a sphere. So we start with a circle. We are going to start with a dot in the middle. Draw that undercoat. Dot, dot, dot. Round that off. And we are just going to go from the center, which is the dot, to the right side. So remember, anytime we're dealing with circles, we first need to ask ourselves, is what's given the radius or the diameter? Is what's given the radius or the diameter? Which one is it? It's our diameter. So we can literally plug this into our formula. So if volume is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed, we can now start to plug in 4/3. In place of pi, we're going to use 3.14. Our radius was given to us. I should have given you the number, I guess, though. Sorry about that. It is 8 yards. So the line told you that it was given, so that's why I could have started the formula, but now I'll give you the actual number. So this is 8 cubed. So remember when we were doing pyramids and cones, and how we multiplied those numbers and then we divided by the 3 at the end? So we're going to use that same sort of technique in this one. So we are going to do 4 times 3.14 times, remember 8 cubed is 8 times 8 times 8. So this would be V as in victory equals 6430.72. And again, we're going to bring down that divided by 3. So I'm just going to do divide by 3. If for some reason you can't just plug it in, you just rewrite it. And notice how it is a repeating decimal at the end. It is a decimal that doesn't end because it would actually keep going. We are going to get 2143.57333. So let's do our rounding. We want to round to the second digit, which means we look to the right. We want to round to the second digit, which means we look to the right. The 3 makes the 7 stay the same, so our final volume is 2143.57, and this is going to be yards cubed. Remember, volume is cubed, area is squared. Volume is cubed, area is squared. All right, let's try another one.